Hi, it's been a while since we messaged our faces together. And 2 days ago, I had a big stress. I'm not generally a stressful person. I'm more like an angry type of person. When I have a big emotion, it's generally anger. Um, but 2 days ago, I can say that I had a very big stress mixed with anxiety, and it created some feeling of not staying blocked in that area. And I thought, like, okay, I need to create specific face massage for myself for releasing that stress, anxiety, and a general feeling of tiredness also that we have in this period of the year. So all of that in this face massage today, and I'm gonna do that with you so you can also follow the visual instructions and take the benefits of it if that's also something that you are having to deal with in your life these days. So I hope it helps, and let me know in the comments in the end. Start by simply breathing in, breathing out through the nose. And then next time you breathe in, push your shoulders up fully, and breathe out. Push them backward and down and up again. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Turn your head. Follow the breathing. Nice. Today we are here to release completely all the stress, anxiety, tiredness that can mark our face. Simply stretch, and other side, stretch the shoulder and stretch the head, and feel the relaxation of just taking a moment for yourself, of being present with the body. Now we'll open the lymphatic system under the arms, massage it strongly, and under the clavicle. Then up. And while you do the movement, think at the same time, I don't want to keep any of these on myself, on my shoulders, on my face. This stress, this anxiety, this tiredness, it is not me. It doesn't belong on my face. Refuse to let it define you, to let it have such a forward spot on your life that it's showing first thing on your face. It should not be there. Emotions are always okay. Stress will happen and arise sometimes. Anxiety, tiredness. You are human, but they don't belong on your face. They are emotions, energies, periods of life that just pass and go. It is not you. You can let it go and choose to come back to peace and safety. Now massage the bone that you find behind your ears. It will calm the nervous system. Don't forget to breathe in and out and enjoy the moment with yourself, touching your face, getting to know yourself better. Now you'll massage this muscle on the side of your neck, the mastoid. It's holding so much stress, so much stuck emotions. Just massage it, don't try to do it right. Learn to touch yourself, to go deeper and deeper, to feel what's good, what feels right to you. Trust yourself. Your hands are knowing what they need to do. There might be tensions, it's normal. Just imagine it being liberated. And end up pushing everything backward where it belongs. Because when everything is where it belongs, that's when the harmony comes from. Now you will massage the masseter on the side of the ear. That's also where a lot of emotions are stuck, a lot of frustration, stress, anxiety. Because your body works for you constantly. It's totally normal to feel some pain. If you don't feel anything, you don't press enough. Now make sure that you are on the bone under the eye, that it's hard surface, and when you are sure that you are on the bone, then you can press and push away and massage gently and push away. Don't keep any of it on your face. It doesn't belong here. Reveal your face, your most balanced, harmonious, naturally beautiful face, by just pushing away everything that doesn't belong here. Those are just emotions. If you notice them, look at them, feel them, and release them, they will go, they will just pass. They are not here to stay. Now your forehead is the place where the stress starts to mark, the anxiety
accumulated through years and years. But it's never too late to let it go, to release, to decide that it will not define you, that it will not be your story. To go back to the woman that you really want to embody, beautiful, herself, unbothered. Close your eyes for a minute. Take this time for yourself away from all distractions and just reflect on the woman that you really want to be. Because those stressful, challenging times, periods, moments in your life, they will give you the opportunity to vibrate at a different frequency, to notice what doesn't belong in your life, in your face, in your shoulders, to decide differently, to act differently, to react differently. Stress may arise. Just observe, just feel, and let it pass. Without holding, without fighting. Let's finish with a scalp massage. Press with intention. Finish to release all the energy stuck in the head. And then grab your hair, don't worry, they will not fall out. And just press and pull. And imagine that you take all the worries and stress away.
That's it for today, babe. I recommend doing this every day if you have a lot of signs of anxiety, stress, and tiredness on your face. So, according to what you feel like you need, you can do this every day. You can do this once per week. You can do this once per month. You can do this only when you feel like you need to. There is not really rules to it. You can feel what you need and what you want. There are also other face massages on my channel, so you can check them out, and maybe another one more correspond to what you need. And I also wanted to say that after this, I really recommend staying out of your phone for a few minutes, hours, as much as you can. Go for a walk, drink a lot of water, and take care of you, babe. You got this. See you in the next one.